Heck yeah. Go if I rev it?
Go ahead, man. We got this bad boy on here, fair and square. And on Feezy, it's over with. It's over. You hear that, M. Feezy? You hear that, M. Feezy? Woo! Let's go, baby. You hear that, M. Feezy? You hear that, M. Feezy? So I just got this bad boy installed. Ooh. So I just got this bad boy installed. Ooh. Woo. You hear it? It's time to ride, baby.
Okay, so it records as it goes. Oh, dude, that thing is nifty.
Hell yeah.
I've seen that one.
Come outside, bro.
What have you done now? What fun did you go to her now?
It's time to roll, baby.
Oh, I heard that. It needs to quit raining on the weekend so we can go ride too, man.
Hell yeah.
Oh, snap. I already see what you did there, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, well, it's got to be a ton louder.
Man, what? Opened it fucking up, dude.
Heck yeah.
Let me crank her for you. Huh?
Did you get a power commander?
Nah.
Okay, yeah, good.
Yeah, not yet.
Boy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's still getting... Oh, heck yeah. Go if I rev it?
Go ahead, man.
Yeah, man.
brother.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.